Okay, welcome back everybody. Now I've got another cheapo garbage gun for you, but it still shoots, goes bang, no malfunctions. Overall, it's a good gun. This is the Century Arms VSKA, American made, not a bad gun, does its job. I have a UTG dovetail and a UTG dot for it, stock. Now, as you can see, it is spray painted as well. Can you tell I like the 45-degree angle tiger stripes? Yeah, I got this one for Christmas. It's a good gun. The iron sights are off, but go figure. The trigger is a little spongy, but it just works. In the wise words of Todd Howard. Let's get to shooting. Now remember, when you shoot AKs, you have to do the Bin Laden squat, okay? It gives you plus 10 in accuracy. Watch. Oh, God. Oh, we got a few more rounds. Fuck it. Let's pump and dump. Here, let me get... Oh, yeah. It works. It fires. Gets the job done. Hit the farm down the road, but they'll be all right. Yeah, these American made ones, I mean, I know they're not good, except Rifle Dynamics. They make a good AK. Wasser, they make a good AK. I shot a 308 AK platform, and that thing, it functioned perfectly. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. A Wasser 10, I fired that. It's another good AK platform. The magazines for it they're not double stacked. The wind's nipping at my ass. They're not double stacked, so they take little 10 rounders. Could you imagine a 30 rounder for that motherfucker? It'd go. True banana mag. But that is the AK. Nothing special to say about it. Not going to give you the history because it's a fucking American AK. There is no history to it. The Mosin video, I've got some history for it, so I think it'll be really nice. Thanks for watching.